In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up workflows in Monday.com. Workflows are incredibly powerful for streamlining your processes and ensuring every task gets handled efficiently from start to finish. We'll be walking through the simple steps to get a basic project workflow up and running using Monday.com's built-in templates. This approach will save you a lot of time and provide a solid foundation for managing any project. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Monday.com workspace. Look for the prominent plus sign icon, usually located in the left-hand navigation pane or sometimes at the top of your workspace. This plus sign is your go-to button for adding anything new to your account, whether it's a new board, dashboard, or, in our case, leveraging a template to create a new workflow. Clicking on it opens up a menu of options for expanding your workspace. Once you've clicked the plus sign icon, a new window will appear, presenting you with various choices. Among these, you'll see an option labeled Template Center. This is exactly where we want to go. The Template Center is a fantastic resource within Monday.com, packed with hundreds of pre-designed boards and workflows tailored for different industries and use cases. It allows you to leverage best practices without having to build everything from scratch, making it incredibly efficient to set up new processes. Inside the Template Center, you'll notice a search bar at the top or prominently displayed. To quickly find what we're looking for, type Project Workflow into this search bar. This will filter the extensive list of templates and bring forward options specifically designed for managing projects and their various stages. Using the search function is a great time saver, helping you pinpoint the most relevant template for your needs from a vast collection. A project workflow typically covers everything from initial ideation to completion, breaking down tasks, assigning responsibilities, and tracking progress through different statuses. After typing in Project Workflow, the search results will refresh, and you should see a template clearly labeled Project Workflow among the options. Go ahead and click on this Project Workflow template. This action will initiate the process of creating a new board in your workspace based on this pre-configured template. Monday.com will automatically set up the columns, groups, and even some basic automations that are commonly used in project management, providing you with a fully functional starting point. From here, you can easily customize it further by adding specific tasks, inviting your team members, and adjusting any details to perfectly match your project's unique requirements. This foundational setup will significantly accelerate your project planning and execution,